Hello everyone, thanks for joining my channel Cloud and Coffee with Navneet. In this video, we are going to learn how you can able to install DeepSeek on your laptop. I'm been installing on a Mac, but you can install on your own PC as well. Follow the similar steps. So I was scrolling through the LinkedIn, and maybe even before going there, thank you very much for for giving all the love to my this video. And again, I'm a new YouTuber, so thanks for providing all the feedback. So thank you. I have created this video for how to deploy DeepSeek R1 model with Amazon Bedrock, and I was scrolling through LinkedIn, right, and I found this video from the Varun. I found this post from the Varun where he showed you how you can able to install DeepSeek on your local machine. So I was like, why can't you just give us a try? And I'm sure many of you looking to run the LLMs on your local machines to avoid any expensive cost running on a cloud. So I thought, like, why can't we just give it, why can't we just try out and see how that works? So Varun has described all these 4 steps. So I will be looking to showcase you how you can able to work on all this 4 step and able to install it. So first step is definitely having the Docker container. So Docker container, think of an virtual machines run within your Mac, which has all the configurations and OS being installed for any specific purposes. So this way you are not messing up with your Mac. So it will provide an isolation. Thereafter, we were having this OLLM. So OLLM is an open source project which allow you to run the large language model locally. And then we are having this Open WebUI. So Open WebUI, think of and provide a web interface for you to interact with the LLMs. And means here we are looking to use DeepSeek as an LLM. The first step is to have the Docker container installed. So we will be going into here and installing the Docker container. I have a Mac, but when you go into the Docker container, based on whether you're looking to have a Linux, Windows, or Mac, based on that, you're able to go and perform the installation. We will be installing for the Apple Silicon. You can able to find what kind of an chip you have within your Mac, right? So mostly it's an Apple, but if you see there's something called Intel, then you're able to analyze that's an Intel for you. Okay, once you have once you will be able to install the Docker, then the next step we are looking to go and installing the OLLM. So let's see if okay, it's taking some time to, okay, now it's done. Good. So let me go and let me bring it here. Okay, I've been done. I've moved that here. It's moving to an application. It may take some time. Okay, still running. Cool. So we got the Docker container. Let me open it. DOCKER Docker. I have opened the Docker. Yeah, let's open it. Cool. So I'm having this Docker container here. Let me delete this one here, which I was running earlier. Okay, so now we are going and installing the OLLM. So here again, I will be go here and put installation, download. I will be downloading for Mac. Cool. So it's just, again, it will take some time to get it downloaded and installation. So you have to kind of bear with me in this downloadation process. If it take long time for us to perform the download, I can pause the video, but for time being, at least I don't think this will take so long for at least for the OLLM to install, right? So here again, I have to move to my Mac. Okay, I have another window. It's happening in another window, but it's more like you're able to see the zip file. Within the zip file, you're able to see this OLLM. You just have to double click, and then it asks you to move to to application. So you will be having the OLM. So let's see OLM. Let me open it. Cool. Okay, we'll be opening this one anyways. So I think you're able to go and have that installed. Meanwhile, let me go and install this one here. So we will be going and installing. So let me go. And so if the OLM is not on your computer, use this command. So yes, it's running in my computer. I will go and run this into terminal. So let's go and run that into terminal. Here is my terminal. I will be going and making it a little bigger for you. So I will go and run it. Cool. So this is done, and let me see. Yep, see here, I'm able to see now running on my Docker. Okay, cool. This is how much RAM it's required. Like, you know, this is container usage memory, and this is much of CPU, etc. So let's go and yeah, so we will be going, and the next step is we will be going and installing the DeepSeek from the OLM, right? So I will be going and installing the DeepSeek here. So I will be going with the 1.5 billion parameter here, right? And then I will be going and just simply going and installing it here. Once done, okay, it takes some time because it's a couple GB file, right? So you ensure you have enough space on your Mac or on your PC. This way you will not able to have any issues. I will pause here. So this way I don't think we need to take a pause, but or anyways, let me go and take a pause. It's will be making this video longer unnecessary. So I will be pausing, and once it will done, I will be coming back. Okay, so this is done. It took some time. So now if you are we are here, what we're looking to do, this is again when we go into the Docker, we're able to see it is running. We will be going and opening this one here within the Docker. Let me show you again. So if you go back into the Docker container, you will be able to see, like, okay, this is the port where you're looking to. If you see here, this is the port which you're looking to run on. So if you go and click, this is how it will be explore the Cosmos wherever you are. Just provide your full name, email address, and a password. So I will be having this full name, email address, and password. Email address will be what was the email address I'm looking to see. I'm having this social media thing, right? So yeah. Okay, so social media ax social media x123@gmail.com. Providing a password. Cool. Create an admin account. We're done. Okay, let's get it. Password. Okay, let's go. Now we will be having DeepSeek here. We are asking, like, what we're looking to do. Maybe grammar check, explore options trading. I don't know. Maybe, yeah. Let's start with this one. Explore options trading. Run this here. So okay, now you can start working whatever you're looking to do here. And again, you can able to add any other models as well here. Also, you can start adding other models which is being available as a part of it. So here it comes as a default, and then you have an arena model. But again, right, you whatever model you're looking to go and bring it, you can able to do that. Hope this is helpful for you. And again, if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much.